Think you know SEO? Think again. Today, we are busting the top 5 SEO myths that are stopping your website from growing. Myth number 1. SEO is a one-time task. Wrong. SEO is an ongoing process. Search trends, algorithms, and competitors change constantly. Consistency wins, not quick fixes. Myth number 2. Stuff more keywords for better ranking. That is keyword stuffing, and Google hates it. Focus on quality content that actually answers user questions. Myth number 3. SEO is just about keywords. Nope. Page speed, mobile friendliness, backlinks, and user experience all play major roles too. Myth number 4. Social media does not affect SEO. While likes do not directly boost rankings, social visibility drives traffic, which strengthens your SEO performance. Myth number 5. SEO delivers instant results. Sorry, SEO takes time, patience, and strategy. But once you rank, the long-term rewards are massive. So, stop letting SEO myths hold you back. Focus on real strategies, real growth, and watch your website climb to the top.